A for apple.
A for apple.
Apple means seo.
Apple means seo.
B for ball.
B for ball.
Ball means game.
Ball means game.
C for cat.
C for cat.
Cat means billy.
Cat means billy.
D for dog.
D for dog.
Dog means kutta.
Dog means kutta.
E for elephant.
E for elephant.
Elephant means hathi.
Elephant means hathi.
F for fish.
F for fish.
Fish means machli.
Fish means machli.
G for grapes.
G for grapes.
Grapes means angur.
Grapes means angur.
S for hen.
S for hen.
Hen means murgi.
Hen means murgi.
I for ice cream.
I for ice cream.
Ice cream means ice cream.
Ice cream means ice cream.
J for juice.
J for juice.
Juice means juice.
Juice means juice.
K for kite.
K for kite.
Kite means patang.
Kite means patang.
L for lion.
L for lion.
Lion means state.
Lion means state.
M for monkey.
M for monkey.
Monkey means bandar.
Monkey means bandar.
N for nest.
N for nest.
Nest means ghosla.
Nest means ghosla.
O for orange.
O for orange.
Orange means santra.
Orange means santra.
P for papaya.
P for papaya.
Papaya means papita.
Papaya means papita.
Q for queen.
Q for queen.
Queen means rani.
Queen means rani.
R for rabbit.
R for rabbit.
Rabbit means khargosh.
Rabbit means khargosh.
S for sun.
S for sun.
Sun means suraj.
Sun means suraj.
T for tiger.
T for tiger.
Tiger means cheetah.
Tiger means cheetah.
U for umbrella.
U for umbrella.
Umbrella means chhata.
Umbrella means chhata.
V for van.
V for van.
Van means gari.
Van means gari.
W for watch.
W for watch.
Watch means ghadi.
Watch means ghadi.
X for Xmas tree.
X for Xmas tree.
Xmas tree means Xmas tree.
Xmas tree means Xmas tree.
Y for yak.
Y for yak.
Yak means jangli jaisa.
Yak means jangli jaisa.
Z for zebra.
Z for zebra.
Zebra means zebra.
Zebra means zebra.